The brown box is just the outside packaging box. Inside is the box that actually shows you what's in it. So on the top tells you what to expect. I can expect some spare sealing rings, a steam rack with handles, a condensation collector, a safety maintenance warranty, a getting started guide, a UK power cord, an EU power cord, the actual cooking unit, an inner pot with handles, and this fantastic new lid with all sorts of different venting bits. So here's my spare sealing ring. It's great, very useful. I'm pleased to see this is like cardboard rather than polystyrene, eco-friendly. And here's the pot. Here are my booklets. So inside the bag, one big bag, one big lid with a sticker to make sure this beautiful new valve cover stays safely on. The valve's completely different, it's fully round, and the switch is completely different. And that will be the lid that pops up. You see it, it's even labelled. And then this bit is the diffuser. Pops on the top like that. This is the actual pot. Lovely shiny screen, big screen, and the turny knob there. Very important when you get your new pot, take that paper out from inside, you don't want it to burn. And then inside you've got the two plugs, the EU plug and the UK plug. Quite a few people have taken their pots on holiday, very handy to have an EU plug if you want to do that. Some good advice, go with your manual. A new trivet. These are handles. It goes in that way up. Some people have tried to make them feet. It doesn't work. And this beautiful shiny pot with a flat bottom, completely flat, so it can go on induction. It can also go in the oven up to 220 degrees centigrade because the handles are silicone, and of course the handles mean you can lift it in and out and it doesn't spin. The condensation collector's already been fitted, you just need to take that little bit of tape off so it's ready to go. Handles, fantastic.